Good day. Ever ponder the power of kindness? Well, think about a pod of dolphins in the big blue. Each dolphin, with its playful leap, sends ripples across the water. A bit like how every act of kindness we do creates waves of positivity in our world. It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? Dolphins, they've got this teamwork thing figured out, always supporting one another, just like us when we lend a hand to someone in need. So next time you're about to do a good deed, remember the dolphins. Each act of kindness, big or small, sends ripples of positivity. Just like that dolphin's leap, your kindness can make a splash. Every ripple counts. Like a dolphin, make waves with your kindness. Cheers.